Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use XTB and make your very first trade on their platform. Whether you're looking at Forex, stocks, commodities, or ETFs, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Step 1. Log in to the platform. XTB's XStation 5 is super intuitive, and it's designed to give you quick access to everything you need, even if you're brand new to trading. Step 2. Choose your market. XTB lets you trade CFDs on Forex pairs, indices, commodities, stocks, and ETFs. My tip: when you're just starting out, don't overwhelm yourself with too many instruments. Focus on one or two markets you understand best. Step 3. Make a deposit. The minimum deposit depends on what you're comfortable with. Since XTB doesn't set a strict amount, you can fund your account quickly with bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Just remember to always consider your risk tolerance before committing capital. Step 4. Prepare yourself. This is where a lot of beginners go wrong. Don't rush into trades without a plan. Use the built-in tools like the economic calendar, market news, and charts inside XStation 5. These features are there to help you analyze markets properly and avoid emotional decisions. Step 5. Open a trade. There are a few ways to do this. The simplest is straight from the chart. Set your trade size, then hit the green buy button if you think the price will rise, or the red sell button if you think it'll fall. Click. You can also right-click to open a new order window or use the market watch panel. Step 6. Manage your trade. Always protect your positions with stop loss and take profit levels. This way you don't need to constantly stare at the charts. Your trades will automatically close when your targets are hit. You can also adjust your SL or TP levels directly on the chart by dragging them, which is really handy. And finally, Step 7. Closing your trade. You can manually close it by clicking the little X on your position, or let it close automatically if your stop loss or take profit gets triggered. And that's it. You've just learned how to make your first trade on XTB. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tutorials, and drop a comment below. Let me know what markets you're most excited to trade on XTB. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.